Portability of our products gives us the opportunity to come right out to where parts are being manufactured. And the FARO ScanArm gives us the opportunity to do probing activities. So if I want to probe prismatic features like planes and circles, cylinders, these types of things, or surface points, as I was doing here. And then the laser scanner that's mounted on the bottom gives me the opportunity to do non-contact laser scanning, which is highly beneficial for free-form surfaces.
Right.
So if you have very complex geometry, like you would see on the inside of your automobile, for example, right, instrument panel, plastic injection molded parts, the sheet metal stamping on the outside, manufacturers really want to know what's happening over the full surface of their parts. And to be able to see that in a graphical representation so that they can make changes in their manufacturing processes to make parts that are dimensionally correct.
Okay.
So here we just did some probing. If I hop over to the laser scanner here, and this is the V6 HD scanner. It gives us the opportunity to scan highly reflective materials, black shiny parts, just a whole vast array of different material surfaces.
I can see it, yeah.
A couple things that are of interest here. We've got the standoff indicators that are in multiple areas. So one is this LED area. So when I'm in the field of view, it's green. If I get too close, it goes red. If I get too far away, it goes red. And then we also have our blue light scanner, as you can see here. And this crosshair also is another indicator of standoff. So if I'm having the crosshair directly on the blue light scanner, then I'm able to kind of see where I need to be. And then by simply using the buttons on the arm, and the buttons are located up here for probing, if I want to take the scanner off. This is something that's unique to our product. We have the ability to take the scanner off and put it back on, which gives me more versatility as I go out on the shop floor. If I have areas that have cavities and whatnot that I need to reach up inside of, I can take the scanner off and get up in there and measure.
Excellent.
And then the buttons are also located down here on the side to be able to operate it. So if I simply hit the green button, I'm able to cut across there and do some scanning. Get some data on that part. And then when I'm done, I just hit the red button to say that I'm finished. And then we can do a couple things with the data that we're capturing. One would be reverse engineering activities.
Right.
So I have a part, I have no math data for that. I'm able to capture that geometry and get it into CAD right away and be able to surface a model off of that. We've got set up here is for dimensional inspection. Okay, so I'm going to take the point cloud data, overlay it on top of an existing CAD file that I have to see what the differences are between those.
Right.
So the scan data is in that purple color, and then the gray is the CAD model. And then by simply coming up here and clicking this color map, and they were able to show what the dimensional differences are between the part and the CAD file. And the scale can be changed. Over on the side here, you see 0 right here is at nominal. Anything that's in the colors of yellow and red would be a high side condition. And then the colors of blue and purple there would be down below CAD model.
Very
That's what it would be. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Appreciate that.